Have you ever wondered what are the tax benefit options available for people with professional income? It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Mr. Gopal today to answer this question.
So once you have a professional income, there are, for example, let us say the annual income is around 40 lakhs. So you are eligible for various deductions as a business category. You are now a business category. So your own car or you rent your car. So those expenses for that, if you own your car, depreciation is there. You rent your car, the rental hire charges you can subtract, which for a salaried guy will not be eligible. You travel through train, through a flight, that is eligible for deductions. You make a subscription, online subscription for various magazines and technical subscriptions. You are eligible for deductions. You buy books, 100% are eligible for depreciation on those books. And your local attire, because being a professional, you need to dress yourself nicely. So annually, there are minimum 4 or 5 suits you buy, boots you buy. So all those are eligible for your personal grooming. So you will also be eligible for a personal staff also. So maybe you may have 3, 4, 5, 6 staff. For them, you pay salary that you are eligible. You have to operate in an environment where you have to pay rent. You have to give rent advance, electricity, telephone, internet charges, furniture. On the furniture, you are eligible for depreciation. Air condition, on the air conditioner, you are eligible for depreciation. So and so on. So host a lot of expenditures. You can actually claim that. You need to keep track of all this. Maybe if you have a proper books of accounts, or if you do all these expenditures through online or through bank account and have a summary of these transactions, you will be eligible to actually claim this expenditure, and on the net of that only you have to pay your taxes.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.